I look in the mirror to comb my hair. Please remember to flush the toilet after using it. I close the curtains at night for privacy. I turn on the fan when it gets too hot. Please use a fork to eat your salad. I keep my keys on the hook by the door. I need a spoon to stir my tea. I dry my hands with a towel after washing them. I keep my socks and underwear in the top drawer. I sweep the kitchen with a broom every day. I wash the dishes in the sink after meals. I cover myself with a blanket when it's cold. Please put the milk in the refrigerator to keep it cold. I am cooking dinner in the kitchen. I need to take a shower in the bathroom. We watch TV together in the living room every evening. I open the window to let fresh air into the room. It's time to go to bed. I'm feeling sleepy. I sit on the chair to eat my meals. Please close the door when you leave. I turn on the lamp to read a book at night. We sit on the sofa when we have guests. The plates are kept in the cupboard in the kitchen. Can you pass me the remote? I want to change the channel. I heat up leftovers in the microwave. I make toast in the toaster every morning. I like to sleep with 2 pillows under my head. I use the vacuum cleaner to clean the carpet. I hang my clothes in the wardrobe to keep them neat. Please throw the garbage in the trash can. The dishwasher makes cleaning up after dinner much easier. I put my dirty clothes in the laundry basket. I mop the floor to keep it clean. I cook rice on the stove. I drink my morning coffee from my favorite cup. I put a photo of my family in the picture frame. Be careful with the knife when you cut the vegetables. We use the big plates for dinner. The soup is boiling in the pot on the stove. I fry eggs in a pan for breakfast. I like to relax in a warm bathtub after a long day. I turn off the light switch before leaving the room. I keep my clothes in the closet in my bedroom. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.